So, sige, we can
Okay.
start. Go. Good luck, have fun.
Look up maneuver. Oh. And maneuver. Pass.
Okay. Maneuver. One, two, three. One, two, three. And maneuver. One, two, three. So, from experience, si Dandelion, dalawa lang pwede mag-attack. Defending.
Paint. Paint.
Flat twist.
Yeah.
Saka yung attack.
Maneuver. Okay. Pass.
Maneuver. One, two, three. Attacking ako kay Gerald.
Okay, defending.
Very nice.
Last two ako.
Very nice. Okay. Hindi rin may effect yun kasi end na kagad yun.
And
Your turn. Very nice.
maneuver. Maneuver. Okay. Gerald attacks Bigfoot.
Feeling ko gusto mo matake pero na sobrang balik ka ng cards. I don't know. Sige. Or nakakuha ka ng 4. Damn it yan. So, ang ano pala, ang cards na kinuha mo is steel? Steel ba o silver? Steel yun na ba?
Ewan ko, yung-
Silver. Yung tumatagos na 4 pag 4 on defense. Then, ito. For guard armor.
Yun.
Tsaka Blizzard, no? Or Tony O. Blizzard, no? Yung may movement. Okay, so yun yung gear na kinuha mo. Okay, so let's risk it, maybe. Maybe no. Defending? Fuck. So shit. Buti na lang. Okay. Okay, 1 damage. Very nice. Na-feel ko para siya nakakatakot sa attack eh.
Okay.
Very nice. Sige. Okay, ko si Gerald.
Okay, defending.
Ah, fuck. That was so good. Sorry. Sorry, swords. Okay. Sige,
Discard
no
one card.
damage. And then, since up 4, ako mag-discard.
Discard.
Hindi siya random. So, ako mag-discard. Ako mamimili.
Okay.
Shit. So good. So good though. Ganda rin Gerald kay Big. Defend.
Okay.
Then, maneuver. 1,
Out of words,
2. Sakit eh. Ang ganda ng card na to kay Bigfoot. Waiting yan. Then, gamitin ko yung passive ko.
Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. Draw for turn. Maneuver. Gerald attacks on a Bigfoot.
Defending. Yep.
Okay.
Naramdaman ko medyo mababa. Okay, cancel. Mana position to? I don't like my position here. There are 5 cards. 4, 5, 6. Maneuver. 1, 2, 3. Maneuver. 1, 2. Your turn.
Okay.
Solar thing, plot twist. And that's all. It's bad.
Maneuver. Maneuver again.
Resting. Okay. Maneuver. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then let's erase it. Sige. Attacking ako kay Gerald.
Nag-maneuver ka, di ba?
Wait lang, thinking lang ako. Painful eh. I don't wanna use it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just was 2. Why can't pick moves na 2? It's not worth it. Pero sige. Maneuver ako. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then skim. Press through this. Okay, your turn.
Okay. Parang bawal yun. Wala nang connection dito.
Hindi. Dito ako, di ba?
Ah,
Tsaka crush through this 5. Ano naman to?
okay.
5 spaces. 1, 2. Ay, ito ko nga lang. So, na-maneuver ako, then skim. Your turn. So, dito ko na lang siya lagay. Sige lang, dito ko. Wala. Sige lang. Okay.
Okay, dandelion attacks Bigfoot.
Take the hand of defending. Sabi na nga ba, Tristan?
Witcher Sense. Search ako ng
Sige lang, i-search mo na yung cards mo. Right-click mo, then search. Then, i-drag mo na lang palabas. Pakita mo muna sa amin na clear yung ginawa mo. Okay? Then, ibalik mo to.
Grabber. Okay.
Okay. Maneuver. And then, 1, 2, 3. And then, maneuver. Okay. Turn.
Okay. Maneuver.
Actually, diamond throwable dyan. I don't know, ba't ka natakot ka mong bitawan? Or maganda masyado yung card mo, kaya wala kang mathrow.
Wala akong magagawa.
Okay.
One guard with 3 spaces. Okay.
Okay. Oh, discarded na to. Oh, yung going scheme siya.
Okay.
Hindi ka man naman kaya discard na siya. Okay. So, okay. Maneuver. Attacking ko si Geralt.
Okay, defending. +2 for -2 ako.
Ay, sige. Good enough, I guess. Pero ako ko. So good. Punta ni Geralt. Okay, wala ka ng meta. Your turn?
Gerald attacks Bigfoot.
Shit. Triple 4 mo. Sige, take it. Oh my god. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ay, diba? Kaya talaga pinako ko sa'yo. Diba, kahit yung, alam ko lang na may card kang ganyan is, ang laking threat na talaga.
Hindi ko
diba?
muna ginamit.
Very good. Nice. Yun. Diba, parang sa league lang, mas magandang yung threat kaysa yung gamitin.
Okay.
That was good. And it was a rend too. And damn, you're ugly.
Nabahan ko kung gusto mo.
Wala ka naman ng ganito eh. Wala ka lang threat na ito. End of the turn. Irritating. Ataking ko si Geralt.
Okay. No.
Sabi ko na eh.
Cannot leave. -3 ako.
Okay, -3 ka. Hindi, after combat mo muna, pwede ka mag-move para hindi ka matake ng 1.
Okay.
That was so painful. Sige. 2 damage. Shit. That's so good.
Tapos, bakit ka na gumalaw?
Wala lang gumalaw.
Tapos may one action.
Maneuver. God damn it. Damn. Your turn.
Manuel ba? Okay. Gerald attack. Bigfoot.
Walang mahalaga dito pag yan ang kalaban ko. Defending. Oh shit, let's go. Hindi ko pala pwedeng bitawan ng momentos. 1 damage. Okay.
Okay pa. 6-4.
Pain ko si Geralt.
Okay.
Okay lang. Wala naman. Okay, no damage. Then, choose any space. Ataking ko si Dandelion.
Ako defending.
May defend ka. Watch. Nakakainis naman. Okay. 3 damage. Ah, damn. So painful. Can move
Tapos,
if you want.
or lang. Or,
Okay, very nice. Your turn? And my turn?
maneuver.
Ito pala, pwede, yung mga gear, pwede mo mabalik yan, ha? Kuya, pwede mo mabalik yan. Dahil sa scheme mo. So, tama to. Kung dalawa na yun, naman yung mag-defend. Sabay ito. Dalawang plot twist.
Gerald attacks Bigfoot.
Defending. God damn it. Yung card na yan. Okay, the damage. Move for... Dito ako. Sige. Wait lang. 5 speaker. Sige, dyan ako. Then, discard 1 card ako. Discarding this. Just go. Nice.
Okay. Pass.
Maneuver. Ha! Epic finally. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then, scheme. I mean, finally, come on, really? Okay. Patay siya ng Dilayon. At least wala na ka ng plot twist. Ay, your turn. And, draw 1 ako. And my turn. Finally. Oh, what is...
Maneuver. Boost.
Sakto, buti di tayo natake. May plot twist ka.
Maneuver.
Okay.
Um,
Attacking sa'yo. Wait lang. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Wait lang. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Attacking sa'yo.
Sige, take.
Oh, fudge. Really? Wala kang defend. 4. Now the question is, may defense ko ba talaga? Sige, move kita dito. 1, 2. No. 1, 2. Then, maneuver. And then, passive ko, draw 1. Maneuver, then passive ko, draw 1. Yep. Okay, your turn.
Maneuver. Gerald attacks Bigfoot.
Defending.
Ping.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Nanalo ako. First is, nanalo ako sa combat. Sa draw 2 ako. Dahil walang value yan eh. Then, 2 damage sa akin. Okay?
Pass.
Attacking ako sa'yo. Okay. Ang damage. Draw 1 lang.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Then, attacking ako sa'yo.
Ang sobra na.
Hindi.
Ang dalawang atake.
Matake ako nito.
Oo.
Then, second attack. Yung kanina defense yun. Defend ako nito.
Okay.
Kaya medyo nakala mo lang maraming nangyari. Kasi nakadraw 2 ako dahil dun. Okay. Nice. 1 damage. Your turn. Ang gandang pan-defend pala ng regroup dun sa tong weakness ng Igni. Pero yun nga lang, laki ng card difference, deck difference natin. So, okay lang. Kasi pressure kita ngayon.
Maneuver pala.
Also, may threat ako ng may threat ako na may dalaw pa ako na ito. So, 4 damage. Ang lethal mo is nang wala kang magagawa is 4 damage. 4. Nang wala kang magagawa. Yun ang lethal mo.
Plus
Okay.
5 more.
Okay.
Plus maneuver.
Usually, okay lang din naman nag-boost ka, pero kahit trash yung nabunot mo, ayaw mo mag-boost para magmukha lang na marami kang hand. Para hindi ko isipin na, bububugin ko talaga to. Kasi wala ka lang hand. Anyway, it's good rin naman kasi wala yung mararating mo. Bago tapunta. Okay? Sige, my turn. Now, wala ka na nito. Ang proper defense mo na lang is isang rings, dalawang rings. Okay, so ganito. Okay. Right here. Absolutely. Sige. Crush through trees. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was bad. Mali ako bilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit, that was bad. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulang pala ng isa. Sige, anyway. Huwag na. Hindi, nabagsak ko na eh. Sige lang. Nabagsak ko na eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, maneuver. Then, passive ko. Draw 1. Your turn. Okay. Tingnan mo, nakadikit ako sa'yo lagi. Kasi once na matak ka, lalo kang dehado. Dapat yan, pwede na tayong inipit eh. Diba? Kasi dapat pinina kita. Hirap yung pag nakapit ka na. Sige lang. Okay lang yan. Expected naman na medyo hirap ka talaga. Pero ang malakas si Gerald kay Bigfoot. Ang kailangan mo na lang ngayon mag-survive. Yun ang goal mo. Kasi ngayon, ang winning condition mo na is mag-survive. Kasi sa deck count, magkaiba tayo ng deck count. Laki ng difference. May skim ka pa.
Okay.
Ano kinuha mo?
Ito.
Okay. Very good. Very nice, I guess.
Maneuver.
Yeah, this was
Pass.
circle defense. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yan nga lang. Talagang medyo mahirapan ka na. Sige. Skim. 1, 2, 3. 2 damage. Then attacking.
Mentorship yan. Ay, hindi, wala na pala. Discard
It's
one.
okay. So strong and visible do risk it. Okay, no damage. And nanalo ka. And discard
Discard.
naman ako ng 1 card. Discarding ko to.
Okay.
Lakas talaga, ang lakas lang ano eh. Please. Sorry. Then, passive. Your turn. Oh shit, matalo ako.
Maneuver. Wait lang. Okay. Gerald attacks Bigfoot.
Ba't ka umatak? Most likely, 8 nito. Yes. Shoot. Should I? Sige. Defending. What's that? Oh, fox. Very nice. Sige.
Pero pwede akong mag-boost.
Okay, patay mo na ako. Nice one. Ang risky ng gawa mo. I like it. Sige, very nice. Sige, hindi ko na-expect na atake ka ng malakas. Akala ko mag-defend mo to. Very nice. Okay. That is 6. And I'm taking 5. And patay si Bigfoot. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Hindi ko na-expect na attack ka ng mabigat dun ah. Interesting.
Kasi alam mo ito bakit?
Oo, and inisip ko kasi is since may card advantage, ano ka, mas gusto mo ito pang defend. Ay, hindi feeling ko di na tayo mapapatay as long as may ganito ka. Kasi bawasan man kita nito, wala nang tatagos na 4. Shit. Okay. Fun lang. Ang sakit nito.
Oh, discard. Lahat discard.
Oh, man. Ang lakas ni Gerald King Bigfoot. Good game. So, yan. Anyway, nakita mo naman.